Many people assume that the food we eat is quickly digested and leaves our stomach within just a few hours. However, research reveals a surprising truth. Certain foods can actually remain in your stomach until the following day. This challenges the common belief that digestion is always a rapid process. Factors such as the type of food, its fat content, and individual digestive health all play a role in how long food stays in the stomach. For example, high-fat or high-fiber foods tend to linger much longer than lighter, simpler meals. Understanding this can help us make more informed choices about what and when we eat. Every meal we eat embarks on a fascinating journey through the digestive system. From the moment food enters our mouths, it begins a complex process that transforms it into energy and nutrients our bodies need. Interestingly, not all foods travel at the same pace. Some move quickly, providing a rapid burst of energy, while others take their time, offering sustained nourishment. The speed at which different foods are digested can have a significant impact on how we feel and how our bodies function. Understanding this journey helps us make better choices for our energy levels and overall health. The stomach acts much like a powerful blender, churning and mixing the food we eat with strong acids and digestive enzymes. This process breaks down food particles, turning them into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. The stomach's muscular walls contract rhythmically, ensuring that food is thoroughly combined with gastric juices. These acids and enzymes begin the chemical breakdown of proteins and other nutrients, preparing them for further digestion in the intestines. Interestingly, the speed at which the stomach processes food can vary greatly. Foods high in fat or protein tend to stay in the stomach longer, while carbohydrates usually pass through more quickly. This variation in digestion speed influences how soon we feel hungry again after eating different types of meals. Liquids and simple carbohydrates are digested rapidly compared to other types of foods. When consumed, liquids pass through the stomach with minimal delay, as they do not require extensive breakdown. Simple carbohydrates, such as glucose and sucrose, are also processed quickly because their molecular structure allows for easy absorption. The stomach empties these substances efficiently, often within 30 to 60 minutes. The swift digestion is due to the fact that simple carbohydrates dissolve easily in water and do not need complex enzymatic action. As a result, they move into the small intestine rapidly, where absorption into the bloodstream occurs. This quick process provides a fast source of energy for the body. Proteins, like those found in chicken or eggs, generally take longer for the body to break down compared to other types of food. On average, it takes about 2 to 4 hours for the digestive system to process these protein-rich foods. This extended digestion time is due to the complex structure of proteins, which require more effort from digestive enzymes to be broken into smaller components. As a result, meals high in protein can help you feel fuller for longer periods. The slower digestion also means that the release of energy from these foods is more gradual. This process plays an important role in maintaining steady blood sugar levels and supporting muscle repair and growth. Fatty foods such as cheese or steak are known to slow down the digestive process. When these foods enter the stomach, they stimulate the release of certain hormones that signal the body to slow gastric emptying. This means the stomach holds on to fatty meals longer, allowing more time for the breakdown of complex fats. As a result, these foods can remain in the stomach for up to 6 hours or even longer compared to lighter meals. This extended digestion time can lead to a feeling of fullness that lasts much longer. The body does this to ensure fats are properly emulsified and digested before moving on to the next stage of the digestive tract. Fiber-rich foods play a crucial role in maintaining healthy digestion. They tend to remain in the stomach longer, which can slow the digestive process slightly. However, this extended presence helps regulate the overall flow of digestion, ensuring nutrients are absorbed more steadily. Additionally, fiber adds bulk to the digestive tract, supporting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The slower digestion of fiber-rich foods also promotes a lasting feeling of fullness, known as satiety, which can help manage appetite and support healthy eating habits. The time it takes for food to leave the stomach varies greatly depending on what you eat. Smoothies, for example, are typically digested quite quickly, often within 1 to 2 hours, because they are mostly liquid and contain blended fruits and vegetables that are easy for the stomach to process. In contrast, a steak dinner, which is high in protein and fat, can remain in the stomach for 4 to 6 hours as the body works harder to break down these dense nutrients. Pizza, with its combination of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, usually falls somewhere in between, taking about 3 to 4 hours to digest. These differences highlight how meal composition, whether it's liquid or solid, high in fat, protein, or carbohydrates, directly influences how long food stays in the stomach before moving on to the next stage of digestion. According to Dr. Lisa Gundry and Dr. David Katz, the composition of the foods we eat plays a significant role in how our bodies process them. Foods rich in simple carbohydrates, like white bread or sugary snacks, are digested quickly, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar and short-lived bursts of energy. In contrast, meals high in fiber, protein, or healthy fats take longer to break down, resulting in a slower, more sustained release of energy. The slower digestion also helps you feel fuller for a longer period, reducing the urge to snack between meals. The experts emphasize that choosing whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables can help maintain steady energy levels and promote satiety throughout the day. While many people focus on what they eat, fewer consider how and when they eat as important influences on digestion speed. The timing of meals, such as eating late at night versus earlier in the day, can significantly alter how quickly food moves through the digestive system. Additionally, the manner in which we eat, whether we chew thoroughly or rush through a meal, also plays a crucial role. Stress levels, posture during eating, and even the temperature of the food can subtly impact digestion. These lesser-known factors help explain why the same meal might feel heavier or lighter depending on the circumstance. As we explore further, you'll see how these variables can cause identical foods to digest at noticeably different rates. In summary, knowing how long it takes for different foods to digest can play a significant role in improving your energy levels, metabolism, and quality of sleep. By aligning meal times with your body's natural digestive rhythms, you can support better nutrient absorption and avoid discomfort. The timing of digestion is not just a matter of comfort. It's a key factor in maintaining overall health. Being mindful of when and what you eat empowers you to make choices that benefit your well-being in the long run.